Good morning, students. Welcome to the science class. We have completed the fourth chapter, right? Circulatory and excretory system. Here, what are the organs involved in these systems? In circulatory system, heart is an important organ, right? In excretory system, kidney is the main organ. Here, in circulatory system, it helps to transport materials throughout the body. In excretory system, it helps to remove the waste from the body in the form of urine. Right? So, if we come to the circulatory system, what are the parts involved in the circulatory system? Heart, blood, and blood vessels. These are the main parts do the function of circulatory system. That means which helps to transport the nutrients, water, and oxygen to the entire body. Okay, done. So heart, it's a hollow muscular organ that pumps the blood through the circulatory system. Here, the function of heart is to pump blood to the whole body through blood vessels. The first point. Second, heart beats 3 billion times during an average lifetime. And we cannot live if our heartbeat stop. Okay? Next, blood is a substance that constantly flows through our bodies. So, blood is pumped by the heart and travels through blood vessels. So, here the function of blood is it carries nutrients, water, oxygen, and waste products. Okay, the function of heart is to pump blood. Well, here the function of blood is to carry nutrients, water, oxygen, and waste products. And the second point, which is very important, is blood contains a protein called hemoglobin. Okay, it combines with oxygen. That's why the blood is red in color. Here, third point is blood vessels. Blood vessels are the tubular structures carrying blood through the organs. So here these blood vessels are connected to all parts of the body, all organs of the body. Okay, there are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Okay, here these arteries, veins carries blood, capillaries carry the nutrients, oxygen, water, and carbon dioxide throughout the body from heart to all parts of the body. Okay, once again, heart pumps blood so that blood carries these all the things through blood vessels. Here that is the main thing. So a parts of the blood vessels are artery, veins, and capillaries. Red colored cells are called what, dear children? The red colored cells are called arteries, vessels. Blue color vessels are called veins. Here there is a connection of these two blood vessels that is called capillary. Okay. Arteries generally carry oxygen rich blood, whereas veins carry carbon dioxide rich blood. Okay, that means when the blood is purified, by removing the carbon dioxide, so the arteries carry that rich oxygen blood to all parts of the body, whereas veins carry carbon dioxide rich blood from all parts of the body to heart. Okay, excretory system. So the excretory system means nothing but removal of waste materials from our body. But the waste in our body is removed in many types. One is sweat glands in the form of sweat. It is present on our skin. Lungs, which exhales the carbon dioxide waste from the body. Lungs helps us. So solid waste, it is produced from large intestine and it passes through the anus. Finally, the very important things are kidneys, which removes our waste in the form of urine, that is urinary system. In the excretory system, urinary system is the main important thing. Here in urinary system, kidney is the main organ which removes waste in the form of urine. So here parts of the urine are parts of the urinary system are kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Right? Kidneys are the main excretory organ. Here the blood is purified and the waste which is present in the blood is removed and it is mixed with some water and all, and it is passed from our body in the form of urine. So that liquid form is collected to the urinary bladder through ureters. Okay, here in kidneys the blood is filtered and through these ureters it is collected to the urinary bladder and from urethra it is passed out. Okay, see, kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. Kidney, whereas it purifies the blood, it's bean shaped two kidneys. Here, this function, here the kidneys function is, it's filter the blood by removing waste, and that urine is passes to the urinary bladder through ureters, and when the urine is collected in the urinary bladder, it is removed from urethra. Okay, see, the blood enters to kidneys through arteries. I told you, arteries carry blood from heart to kidneys, from heart to all parts of the body. Finally it reaches to kidneys, whereas here in kidneys the waste products like nutrients, we eat very nonsense food, right? This food which is mixed with the blood, when it is entered to kidneys, here the waste is removed and it is diluted with the water, and here the waste is passed out the body in the form of urine. Okay, the fresh blood, the filtered blood is carried from veins to all parts of the body. Here one thing, dear children, in the kidneys the blood is filtered. Only the food waste we eat is filtered here, but not the oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay, the carbon dioxide or oxygen which is present in the blood, it is filtered in the lungs. Okay, in kidneys only the food which we eat is filtered here. Okay, dear children, next, see, open page number 44. Let's write these answers. Filtration of blood takes place in this organ. So filtration of blood takes place in kidney. The dash gives off waste in the form of sweat through the sweat glands. Skin. Which of the following organs pumps blood throughout the human body? Heart. So here the question is, which organ pumps blood? They have asked, Nana. They didn't ask which carry blood. Okay, here the pumping function happens only through heart. Okay, not blood vessels. So by mistake I have ticked blood vessels. See, this is heart, not blood vessel. These are muscular tubes that carry urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Ureters. Okay, What are the roles of blood vessels? How are arteries different from the veins? I'll give it as a CW question. What are the parts of the circulatory system? Give the location of the heart. So the parts of the circulatory system are heart, HEART, BLOOD blood, BLOOD, VESSELS blood vessels is the parts, are the parts. The location of the heart is middle of the chest. Okay. What are the other organs of our body involved in the process of excretory except kidneys? So in excretory system, other than the kidneys, other than the urinary system, what are the remaining one? Lungs. Sorry, here you don't write kidneys. I wrote kidneys. No need to write kidneys. Lungs and large intestine. One second.